Ever feel like you're not vibing with a specific person or thing that you really want in your life? Here's how to fix it fast. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom expert and master dowser and author of this book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, which you can find just about any Amazon market around the world in ebook and in paperback. This video is going to be showing you how I dowse for compatibility factors. Now, I don't use it for relationship compatibility. I use it for far simpler things. For example, I'm going to show you right now. I would like to know, ask my dowsing, and when I dowse, if you're not familiar with how I do it, I use two hands and I ask a question, and when my hands come together and the fingertips touch, that's a yes answer. When the fingertips sometimes go down to here or really far down to my elbow, that's a heck no answer. I'm just going to check now the compatibility between my body and getting a good night's sleep tonight. Is that at 100%? No. All right, that's sort of weird. May I ask what percent it's at? The compatibility between my body and sleeping all night long in my bed tonight is at 10% or more. It's at 10%, 9, 8, 7, 6% compatibility with sleeping tonight. Well, that isn't good. So what I would do is just go ahead and start saying, I now instill 100% compatibility with sleeping in my bed tonight all night long, at least 8 hours or longer if I wish. And that was just putting it into my governing vessel meridian by doing this, or you can do this. And it also can change the polarity. Sometimes we have polarity reversals about like the body not wanting to sleep or not wanting to heal. You can check anything that's going on with your body and dowse to see if you are 100% compatible, or your body's 100% compatible with healing that particular part, or with that particular part being well. So let's just check the compatibility between my body and getting a good night's sleep tonight. My mind being quiet, sleeping about 8 hours. It's more than 10%, more than 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's actually 90%. 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. So we're at 100%. And of course I'll do this again tonight before I roll into bed. And I have been getting the best sleep doing this. So, and my mad monkey mind is pretty quiet as well when I'm laying down and trying to sleep. So that's a good deal. But again, you can do this with anything, with food. Test the compatibility with your body and food, or whatever you happen to be doing. So that's today's tip. Good luck with your compatibility. Remember, you got the power, and dowsing helps you find all those hidden mysteries of life and little things that aren't going right that you can check and make them go right, like compatibility with a business success, a certain income, a job, whatever you like. This whole thing is just miraculous to me, and I'm so excited to share this information with you. So check out my website, emorescue.com. If you'd like to leave a comment and ask a question, I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. And live well, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Namaste. Decode life's mysteries. Learn dowsing today and help yourself, family, friends, and animal friends.